my college move out vlog. It's officially packing day today and I'm just gonna pack up my entire room, do some laundry, pack my bag for Norway. So yeah, that's gonna be really fun. Let's get started on that. Alright, so like halfway through right now. So it's day 2 and right now I am just moving all my furniture back. Just got back from the storage unit, was really great, and all my stuff is there now. So I'm just gonna be living out of this backpack for the next couple days. Really fun. So the bed is lofted, as you can see, and it tried to kill me because it fell on top of me, but hey, that's what maintenance is for. I rearranged all my furniture and yeah, should be ready to go now. Can't wait. Alright, there's the last of it. All finished packing.
Where did California go? You know, I really don't know. This is a nice cloud. Do you agree it's a nice cloud? It is a very nice cloud. I love the cloud.